Sitara and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel's today's segment. So at the outset, let me thank all of you for subscribing my channel, for all the likes and for all the lovely comments that you posted on my last video. So now, based on the feedback, on the suggestions and so many comments that you have put in, I would like to take forward this video. So let me tell you all that there is a key that I want to share with you all which will kind of instantly make you feel better. Yes, you heard it right, instantly make you feel better mood wise. So what is that key? Now that key is nothing but your self-talk. So the question may be that do we really talk to ourselves? Yes, we do it. We do it always, all the time, throughout the day, like every time we are in conversation with ourselves. The twist in the story is that these self-talk can be either positive or it can be negative. Now, it is seen that positive self-talk really uplifts your mood. It has a very kind of, excellent impact on your physical and mental well-being. However, the same is negated, or it kind of turns opposite when it is negative self-talk. So negative self-talk pulls you down, it makes you upset over things. It kind of really have a very negative impact on your state of mind. Now the examples would be negative self-talk examples. So in this current situation, maybe some of us are thinking that I am just not able to handle it, or how am I going to deal with it? I am incapable of doing it. It has really kind of had a drastic negative impact. It is the worst phase of my life. So these are some of the negative statements that we may be telling ourselves. On the other hand, positive self-statement would be statements like, this is one of the worst phases, but I can still deal with it, or I am kind of dealing with it already. So these are positive self statements that you can tell yourself. So these positive self statements are something which is something which we have to look into very effortfully and try to make that negative into positive, because negative is just kind of hampering your spirit, it is kind of hampering your drive, and it's not at all productive. On the other hand, positive self-statement gives you that inner strength, the confidence, the hope that is required in this situation. Not just turning the negative into positive will kind of help you. Make it a assertive one. Now what do I mean by assertive positive self-statement? It should not be futuristic. Like a statement like I will be able to deal with it. Now when you make a statement like I will be able to deal with it, the problem is that you're giving an opportunity for yourself that right now I can feel bad about it, but I will deal with it, kind of a thing. So it is not really having a good impact on your present state of mind. So instead of saying that I will be dealing with it, say to yourself that I am capable of dealing with it, or I am dealing with it in the best way that I can do. These are some statements which are very, very assertive, and it kind of pulls you back to the present state of mind, and it helps you to uplift your mood in a very effective way. So basically I just spoke about two things. One is that change your negative self-statement to positive one and make the positive statement very assertive. Why kind of delay it any further? If you really want to kind of make yourself feel better, immediately kind of make a positive self-statement for yourself. You can also put it in the comment section, share it with, so that everybody knows, even I know that you have done it for yourself. And also you can share your experience that if it is helping you cope with the situation better. So that's it for today. I hope this piece of information was useful for you. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this video so that I can reach out to the maximum as possible. And also here on, I'm going to meet you every week, once in a week. So till the next time, till the next weekend, this is Sitara here, zooming out. Bye.